guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a new family wagon for my wife, for my family, and let's try to repair it just for one day. I have already the parts, so let's get work. Brand new Michelin PS, new discs and pads. So as you can see, I have already changed the bonnet, same color, and I already found wing, door and bumper. Bumper is not the great condition, but still same color, so it should be easy, just bolt out, bolt in. And from what I can see, dimension is category S. To be honest, I don't see any structural damage, but anyway, let's continue work. A little bit of progress. So as you can see, different set of headlights. I pick up that set for just 30 pounds. They're a little bit different because the original one, there is a LED daylights. I will show you the light. So this is the different here. They have a LED daylights, but I don't want to spend much for the car. So for now, it's running with this 30 pounds, and I put that wrap on the top, a bit darker. Not the best job, but my first job. So wing is on, bonnet, as I say, was already changed. I changed it from the scrap yard. I leave the damaged one there. Door is fixed as well. As you can see, it doesn't catch, everything works and is matched. The pins for the mirrors, the music is on, it's open and close. Also, I've changed the locker. It's very easy, one bolt, off and on. So if anything happen, you can use your key to open the car. So yeah, so good so far, and keep going. Bumper on, and of course I cannot stay without some modification, and I will put now that front splitter. So I think it's gonna match the gloss black and the shadow edition which that car have bits on it. So let's install the front lip. Well, as you can see, we have a door, we have new wing, we have new bonnet, we have tinted headlights, we have nice lip, and obviously with this color and that black bits on the car, I think is matched really well. Car performs and drives really well, and for one day job, I can say big success. A nice family wagon. It has powered wood, nice spacing. You can put your stuff for the child. If you have dog, it's not gonna bother you inside the car. And guys, if you like what you see now, like cars, now is the moment. Hit that subscribe button and I see you in the next project.